'Twas the night before Christmas, and not a child did stir.
Across the whole of the town
Of Kidderminster,
combatants' stockings
are hung up so neat.
In Spennell's Nan's dream of warm slippers for feet.
the Christmas lights twinkle.
All across Fairley Park and in Agborough,
Football stays still in the dark.
There's frost on the windows.
of the homes in Offmoor,
With Santa stop here signs,
On every front door.
no sound from the turning of Broadwater's mill.
no traffic at Hoobrook.
The roads are all still,
The babies all tucked up,
in cots around Franch. Christmas trees heavy,
baubles on each branch. Small faces peer out,
of curtains in Blake Brook.
Searching for Santa to sneak a quick look. In Haverley the fires,
Have burnt down to a glow. Above them hang red ribbon wrapped mistletoe.
on Brinton Park, the moon shines all around. The shadows of trees dance on the ground.
In Kidderminster town centre, there's not a soul to be seen.
all the shops are sleeping.
They have pulled down their screen, but standing proud in Exchange Square,
Is Sir Rowland Hill, stood high in the air.
And behind him the town hall.
is lit right up to the top to let Santa know
This is a place he can stop.
In the mayor's parlour,
For laid milk and mince pies.
and a carrot for Rudolph.
As an extra surprise. But he can't stop too long
he must be on his way
to make sure the presents.
there the next day.
This Christmas may be different and unlike no other,
Where keeping safe may mean not being together.
where families unite through a computer screen.
And hugs are virtual with space in between.
But Christmas will happen and joy will be had.
By children and grandparents, mum and dad.
Santa will come,
To the children who ask,
And smiles will shine.
from behind all our masks.
so enjoy this time and please join us.
In having a merry Kidderminster Christmas.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!